So let's now enroll to the WordPress Masterclass. This course goes for 2,200. So we'll just click on skills.ephraimcreations.co.ke, our skills website subdomain, and we are going to click the courses. So this course goes for 2,200, but for now it will be 1 shilling, so that I want to demonstrate things simply. I'll click on add to cart, but before then I'll need to register an account. I'll register an account, so I'll call myself Joyce. Last name I'll call myself Joy, and then I'll create hi_Joy. I'll enter my email, so you will enter your email, then you can select your password. Then click on register. So I'll enter my email, click on register. Then after that, I have now my account. I'll just click on add to cart, view cart. So now we go through the checkout process, so you can see. So the price here will be 2,200. Then I'll click on proceed to checkout. Then I'm going to enter my name, region Kenya, then my mobile number, my email. Then I'll go ahead and click place order. So it is going to load the payment gateway. You're going to enter your M-Pesa number, your till number, your Airtel money, or actually pay with your card, Mastercard or Visa. Then I'll enter my mobile number because I'm paying with M-Pesa and click pay. Then I'll be prompted where I just need to enter my PIN. So I'll enter my PIN here in my mobile phone. Then you can see now my payment was successful. It is going to redirect me directly to the dashboard where I'll be now going about the course. So you can see I'm enrolled to 1 course. It is active, and you can manage your profile. You can give reviews based on the course, order history. You can ask questions. Then you can just click on this and start running here. So you can check the course information, the curriculum, the reviews, the announcements if there are any. So you can see so far 5 enrolled, and you can now start actually start now running. We have an early bird offer right now. You get it at 2,200, not 2,650. So see you in the masterclass, and I wish you well in your running journey. Thank you.